Hi guys, we're gonna pick brain rot. So ay parili na. Everything but you. This you. OMG. OMG. Help me guys. Should I pick left or right? I don't know guys. This is so hard. So you gonna pick left or right guys? Comment down below who is the real one, who is Barbaloni, or I'm gonna call her Capybara because she is or he is a capybara actually, but her his name is Barbaloni Doliloli. So comment down below.